Are you biking? So why not saying hi when you walk? You want to say hi?
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, hola everyone! Hola a todos!
Mommy, who will I bring?
Think. Good morning, everybody. It's Rayma, your mananay, the only pislat in Peru. For those who are new here, my name is Rayma, living in Lima, Peru, and in my vlogs, I'm gonna share to you lifestyle, like you will know my life here in Peru, and I'm gonna also share here
Mama,
the cost of living, no, the prices of the goods, the things. Yes. Yes, madam.
I want to talk to them.
Okay. What do you want to say to them?
I'm
The Scarapella.
I'm wearing the Scarapella because Peru's Day is coming.
Yes. Correct.
I'm wearing two Scarapellas.
Yeah, one for the jacket. So if you will close your jacket, you still have Scarapella there, right? Yeah, let's go na kay we're late. We're late. Yeah, I'll go to Pose. I need to buy something. The Nashira is here. Our Nash is still laying down. Hi. Good morning. Mommy will take Ate to school, okay? Yeah? You behave with Daddy, huh?
I am the puppy of Nashira, of the baby. The new baby we have.
Actually, Dara has a jacket, uniform, but she said it's so cold. It doesn't protect her from cold. So, I'm putting her this floppy one. Okay, let's go na. Say bye-bye to Daddy. Let's go. I will take you with me. Okay? You stay here, okay? You stay here. Later, you will go out. I'll take you out later, okay? Okay, Pash. Okay, Shing Shing. Okay. It's very dangerous. Hala ka, oy. Late naman yun. Dara will receive. What will you receive today?
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
The same stage as we saw.
Huh?
The same stage as we saw.
The stage?
Yeah,
The stairs.
Yeah, the
Nag-ano na
same
sila,
as
oh.
we saw.
Every July, the Independence Day in Peru is July 28. So, they have parade here. From there to there. So, they put this one, the stairs, where people sit and watch the presentation of each group. Kasi maraming group na magpaparade. Let's go, B.
Viva Peru, viva.
Oh, no. They are green.
Oh man, I want to say.
Okay, let's go.
We say viva. The hadar just explode because it was too much of that ice sharpen.
Okay. Late na kayo. It's already 8:40 in the morning. 8:15 ilang sulod. Grabe, magkatugnaw eh. You know what? It's so cold. Gosh, I can't. Go. Love you.
I love you.
Be a good girl, ah.
Okay.
Help your classmates, okay? And your teacher. Yes, miss. Late kayo, me. We're so late. Ay, nako. It's so cold. I know it's not a valid reason, you know. But the struggle is real. And they know that, but it's not a valid reason to be late. The cars are turning around because they closed that road. Yan. Want to buy ako ang noodles. Wala akong gustong bilhin dito. Ay, salamat. They still have. They still have. Thank you. This one, 0.4. That's only 5.90. Muna siya pinakabarato because the rest are like very expensive. 10, 8, may 7. Oh my gosh, mahal na good. Uy, mahal ka ayo. Pinin. Then, mapapukuan yung 130 ml. I guess this is the one. Ayan. That's all I came for. Wala pa siya kung ganyan rin na. 8.90 oh. Split. Nice na siya pang baong ng dara oh. Malagi ni ay atong ganyan lahi. Lahi po atong makuan. Lovely. Diba? Sige, let's go. I will check if they have cake. Piece of slice of cake. They have one. They have December. How much? The right price. There's no price, guys. No price. Shada. Bed. There na lang pag-15. What's this? This concern maintenance over there. Siya taba. Pero frozen. Moragas na saan? Moragas na. Ito sa mga cake guys. Mga cake. Cake. Ay, wala. Kasiwas.com. Naman? 4.90. Hello? Torta Chica. I think I'll go for this. This is my favorite. Ganun siya. Tagwan na siya. 69. Like 69 na siya. 69 ba? Or 60. Torta Lukuma. Naapod sila ay kanawa na ilang ko ano lubi. Isa lubi pero pag 10. Diba? Mahal kayo. Aring saging o tag 3.69 na siya per kilo. Diyan. Avocado guys. Awa, 7.89 per kilo. Mas barato yun siya diri. Barato siya. Pero hilaw pa. Hilaw pa na. Uy. Sarap kaayo ang baby guys. It's so masarap the baby. Kiliti ka na kiliti. Wag dyan. Wag dyan. May kiliti ako dyan. Wag dyan. Basta relax ka lang. Kiss, mami, kiss. Ay. Stand up. Up. Good job. Walk. Ay, very good. We're not afraid. Walking in the forest. We're not afraid. Stand up na siya. Stand up now, baby. Look. Very good na, baby. Stand na siya. Wow! Napay support. Basin Batin ma, M-O-M-O. Oh, yesterday, I still have a little rice and the adobo that I made. That's my breakfast for today. Initin natin siya.
Kim, white egg. Like in the Philippines, it's not the same flavor. Crazy, right? Here, the white egg is more expensive than that one.
Oh, because the eggs here are like this.
In the Philippines,
Brown.
that egg is more expensive than the white. I'm full. No, but don't you find it funny that if egg is Bali? Here, more expensive the white, and in the Philippines, it's more expensive the brown.
Yeah. Breakfast. Leftover. Leftover from yesterday. Of course. When you are a mother and you just gave birth, you need to eat a lot. So hungry, ah. Especially when you are breastfeeding. Oh, excuse me. Very, very hungry, guys. Very, so very hungry.
Breastfeed, I will give my action.
Mangain. Yeah, so those who are curious about it's so yummy. It's so yummy. Iba talaga ang lutong bahay. Lutong bahay at lutong nanay. I usually use my hands when I eat. Yum. Yum, yum. Here in Peru, the education is expensive. The school where Dara is going now, we pay 500 soles per month. That's 7,500 in pesos. In dollars, 100 something. 130, 140 something like that dollars.